All right. So WealthSimple just created their finally WealthSimple trade on the browser. So this is it. If you look here, it is so sleek, so simple. Pretty much the same thing as the app. The only difference is you've got your full sum here, all the accounts. You got the ticker symbol at the top, but it does not follow you. So be careful. Don't get confused thinking it's at the bottom. It's going to follow you. It's not. It is tied with their Robo account. So you got your portfolio. You can see everything there. It's right here. You got your activity. You go back there. You got your watch list. You got your crypto. But why everyone is going to be so happy about this and why everyone loves it is because you can simply check market hour stats on the browser simply with your other brokerages if you have any other ones. But you can just go in between ones and it is super easy. See, because you do not see 15 minutes, because you see a 15-minute delay, you can go to the TSX and then you'll be good. You check those Canadian stocks out, or you can go to your watch lists and see all the US stocks live on Yahoo Finance or whatever website you use. So this is it. It's pretty much the same. You go to your personal RSP, TFSA, click it. You got your balance of the TFSA. You got your assets. You got your add funds, withdraw funds, transfer account. You got your watch list. The only thing right now, because it's beta, is that you cannot withdraw funds from in the browser and transfer an account or add funds. And yeah, that's it. Pretty much it. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. This is the first of many videos, and yeah, I hope we can grow this community. And contrary to the channel name, I will be putting out content that adds value, and stocks, etc., etc. So yeah. All right, peace out. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.